Hello everybody and welcome to the video. So what we have here today is this Fanco Windward 452 LA ceiling fan. This is a hugger fan. Got this fan off of eBay right before I moved, and unfortunately I didn't file a claim with eBay in time because I just opened it up not too long ago, and the seller described it as new in box, that, you know, everything was sealed up, and then it comes to my house. I don't open it for many months because, you know, I was in the process of moving, and then I come to open it, it's used in the box. So I can't file a claim with eBay because it was false advertised. It's in nice shape. It's got a few scratches here and there on it, which is to expect. I'll show you the box to it. And then I was wondering when I got this fan, when I was opening it up, and I was wondering why all the packaging is missing and it's all open, and then these drywall screws right here explains everything. So anyways, we will start with the light. There's the light. It's a busy day in the shop today, so it is a little noisy. This fan has a big spinner motor in it. See it from up here. And we will go to one. The blade brackets are bent up. I'm not sure if you guys are able to tell, but they are bent up for some reason. I'm not going to try to bend them back down because I don't feel like snapping the blade bracket, and I'm going to try to sell this fan too. Speeds up pretty quick. Everything's included. It's missing a washer for the blade screws that holds the blade to the bracket, not the motor to the bracket, but the blade to the bracket. Other than that, 100% complete. Comes with everything you see: fobs, no light bulbs, but globes, light kit, all of that. This fan came in 2 different finishes: antique brass, which this one's in, and then bright brass. Here's medium. Gets up to speed pretty quick. It blows a lot of air for a hugger fan, but the fan companies today, they don't make them like they used to, so. Wobble a little bit, like kind of shakes. Not sure if you can see it on camera, but it's a ball socket hugger, so it's gonna do some things like that, like rattles. Here's hot. Yeah, just a slight little wobble to it. It's nothing major. Blows a great amount of air. Good for a hugger. I've never felt a hugger that blew this much air. Light, and here's the watching. See you guys later. And